Hey, what's up? Coach Aaron here, and today what I want to talk to you about is why being a junk food vegan is holding you back. So number one, calorie surplus. Vegan junk food is mostly processed food, so it's going to be higher in calories. If you're eating a lot of calories and you're having a struggle with losing weight, you're plateauing and the weight's not coming off, it could be because you're in a calorie surplus. It can also be because you're eating too much junk food. I know that when you first go vegan, it's easier to do the vegan junk food route, but what we want to do going into number two is we want to get about 90% whole food. Whole food, plant-based diet is going to be better. And then 10%, if you want to eat some of the fake meats and you want to incorporate, some junk food, okay, 10% of the time. So we want to make sure that our fridge, our counters, everything is going to be about 90% whole foods. This is going to be so much better for you, healthier for you. You're going to feel better, have more energy. And then we want to make sure that we're doing our kitchen clean out. So we want to clean out the fridge. We want to clean out the freezer, our pantry, and get rid of a lot of the processed foods that we've been eating, okay? And then we're going to focus on the 90% whole foods. What are those 90% whole foods? Vegetables, fruit, beans. We want to get more of the nutritious foods into our system. Now, if this is difficult for you to understand and you don't understand the calories and how to make it 90% whole foods and everything like that, then this is what I want to do for you. I want to create a meal plan for you that is going to be the correct calories. I will figure out the calories for you so you know how many calories you need to eat a day. I will design a meal plan that is 90% whole foods, and I will do this for you for free. Okay? What I want you to do is I want you to comment junk below, and I will get back to you and we will create you a free meal plan so we can make this easier for you.